We have a nice Jaguar XJ here today. Customer tried to use a headlight restoration kit about a year ago. They wanted me to fix it the right way, so that's what we did. Here they are, not so bad. Car's kept under a car cover. This light here is worse than the other side. So, we took care of business as usual. Here we go. There you go. South Florida. Broward, Palm Beach County, Miami. We're mobile. We come to you, we do it right. 754-302-0769. Send us a text your pictures, call us. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.